Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress. Today we'll be solving check for perfect number. The problem statement states that you are given an integer in, you need to check if the number is perfect number or not. Return true if it is a perfect number, otherwise return false. A perfect number is a number whose proper divisors are add up to the number itself. As in, for example, 6. The proper divisors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3. So if you add 1, 2, 3, it will again sum up to 6. So this original input and the summation of all the divisors output 6. If it is equal, it's a perfect number. So let's solve this problem. So since we have to sum up the individual numbers, I need a variable sum to be set to 0. I'll start a for loop int I equals 1, I less than our input n, I plus plus. What we'll do is we'll put a condition that if our input modulus I, if it is equal to 0, that means it's a proper divisor, then I will add it to sum equals sum plus I. And now we have found out all the divisors and we have added it to the sum, and we'll check that using the condition if my sum equals my input, then it's a perfect number. I'll return true. For all the other cases, I'll return false. Let's check if this works. Yes, so the test cases have passed. Let me submit this code. Yes, all the test cases have passed. Thank you guys.